In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a team in Canva. If you've been part of a shared Canva workspace and you no longer need access, or you're just trying to tidy up which accounts and teams you belong to, leaving a team is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll also point out what changes you can expect once you leave, so there are no surprises. First, open Canva in your browser or in the Canva app, and log into the account that's currently part of the team you want to leave. Make sure you're in the right account, especially if you manage multiple Canva logins, because this change will only affect the account you're currently signed in with. Once you're logged in, look toward the lower left corner of the Canva interface. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your initials, a profile photo, or a generic avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon to open a small menu. In this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will open a new settings page. On the left side of this page, you'll see another vertical panel with different sections. Take a moment to scan through this list, then look for the section called Team Profile. Go ahead and click on Team Profile. Inside the Team Profile area, Canva will show you details about the team you're currently in. Here, you should see a button that says Leave Team. Before you click it, it's a good idea to quickly think about whether you still need access to any shared designs, folders, or brand assets that live in this team. Once you leave, you generally lose access to those shared resources, even if you've been using them regularly. When you're ready, click the Leave Team button. As soon as you do, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This pop-up will ask if you're sure you want to leave the team, and it will outline the specific things you'll lose access to, such as shared templates, brand kits, or any designs that are only available through that team. Read through this information carefully so you understand what will change. If everything looks correct and you're certain you want to proceed, click the Leave Team button at the bottom right of the pop-up to confirm your choice. Once you confirm, Canva will process your request and you'll be removed from that team. And that's it. You've successfully left the team in Canva.